Hi, I'm Nathan from Robusta. In the next 60 seconds, I want to speak about a really annoying problem that takes up a ton of time for DevOps and platform teams every single day and how you can completely fix that problem. And that problem is questions from developers. And of course, there's nothing wrong with questions from developers in and of itself, right? It's part of the job. But many of us have a Slack channel or a Teams channel or maybe even Jira tickets in our organization where we get a ton of questions from developers asking about infrastructure problems. For example, this message: oh, hey, Nathan, is Elasticsearch down again? There's a problem with ES Client and it can't connect. Now, of course, if Elasticsearch was really down, this would be a problem that we want to look into right away. The problem is that many times these issues aren't really infrastructure related. For example, I've tagged here Holmes, our AI agent, and it's going to go off and it's going to run this investigation for me. DevOps is all about automation, and I want to be able to automate the way we investigate and triage questions like this to understand really fast, is there a real problem here or not? And okay, here's the results come back. And I see two interesting things. One, there's nothing wrong with Elasticsearch. The client is just missing an entry point script, and I can see that over here, right? Here are the logs for this application. And two, actually, this wasn't even the name of the application. It's ES Client. And actually, the only relevant pod is ES Client prod. They got the name wrong, but the AI agent was still able to figure out which one they're referring to. So this is really cool. And by doing this, I've saved myself the time of going off and now opening up the cluster, investigating, only to realize that the problem here is really a problem with the application developer's application, and it's not an infrastructure problem here with Elasticsearch. So just like that, I can get back on with my day, and I know this problem is not one that requires my attention to investigate.